Sing and learn three songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.
A world of gases we cannot see, with particles moving fast and free.
When heat is given, their speed will rise.
Let's sing and learn this great surprise. Heat goes up,
Motion goes up, the speed of particles also goes up.
when pressure stays constant, volume will rise. That is what Charles's law describes. Celsius, Kelvin, let's remember. Add 273 together. Connect pressure, volume, and temperature, and learn the combined gas equation forever.
At constant pressure, when a gas is heated, what will happen? Will the volume of the gas increase, or will its volume lessen?
When heat goes up, kinetic energy rises. The speed of particle motion rises. Particles begin to move much faster,
And the gas expands much farther. When the pressure remains constant, the volume of the gas
will increase. What exactly is Charles's law?
Can you explain it clearly now?
For a fixed amount of gas, when its pressure remains constant, its volume is directly proportional to its absolute temperature.
When temperature rises,
Volume rises,
when temperature falls,
volume falls.
this is what we should remember.
This is called Charles's law.
Heat goes up, motion goes up, the speed of particles also goes up.
When pressure stays constant, volume will rise.
That is what Charles's law describes.
What is the mathematical form of Charles's law?
V stands for volume, T stands for temperature. The two are directly proportional. That is their relationship.
V by T is a constant value. That is its mathematical form.
When two states are compared,
V1 by T1
equal to
V2 by T2.
the temperature represented by T must always be given in Kelvin.
What is the Celsius scale?
What are its main reference points?
At normal atmospheric pressure, water freezes at 0 degrees. Water boils at 100 degrees. On the Celsius temperature scale, the temperature range between them is divided into 100 equal parts.
Using the unit degree Celsius,
We can record the temperature.
heat goes up, volume will rise. Let us remember Charles's law.
We have learned the Celsius scale.
Now let's sing and learn Kelvin. Heat goes up. Heat goes up.
Celsius, Kelvin.
Let's remember
Add 273 together.
to change Kelvin back to Celsius.
Subtract 273. What is the Kelvin scale?
From where does it begin?
The temperature scale, beginning from absolute zero, is the absolute temperature scale.
Known as the Kelvin scale.
The scale begins at 0 Kelvin.
That is the Kelvin scale.
0 degrees Celsius is approximately
273 Kelvin.
The symbol for Kelvin is the letter K. Remember, it has no degree symbol. Celsius, Kelvin.
Let's remember, add 273 together,
Add it to the Celsius value.
and the Kelvin temperature is found.
To change Kelvin back to Celsius,
Subtract 273.
this calculation is very simple. Let us learn it through this song. What is absolute zero?
What is its temperature?
The lowest theoretically possible temperature is called absolute zero.
0 Kelvin is its value.
That is absolute zero.
0 Kelvin is approximately equal to minus 273 Celsius.
At this temperature, the thermal motion of gas particles reaches its lowest level. When Charles's law graph is extended backwards, the volume of an ideal gas appears to approach zero, as we can observe on the graph.
To convert Celsius into Kelvin.
What should we do?
To convert Kelvin into Celsius.
What should we do? Add 273.
To Celsius to obtain Kelvin.
Subtract 273
From Kelvin to obtain Celsius.
to 27 degrees Celsius.
At 273.
The answer is 300 Kelvin.
Isn't this calculation easy?
From 300 Kelvin,
Subtract 273
27 degrees Celsius
is the answer once again.
What is the combined gas equation?
Can you state its mathematical form?
For a fixed amount of gas,
When pressure, volume, and temperature change,
the equation showing the relationship
between them is the combined gas equation.
P1 into V1
Divided by T1
equal to P2 into V2.
divided by T2.
The first pressure is P1. The first volume is V1. The first temperature is T1.
The second pressure is P2.
The second volume is V2.
The second temperature is T2.
Always remember that temperature
Must be given only in Kelvin.
Heat goes up
Motion goes up,
at constant pressure.
volume goes up,
Let us remember Charles's law
and calculate using the Kelvin scale.
at 273.
To Celsius and Kelvin is found.
When pressure, volume, and temperature connect, the combined gas equation becomes clear.
Sing and learn.
Learn through songs.
Let's make the gas laws easy to learn.
Dear children, through today's educational song, we learned very easily what happens to a gas when its temperature increases, Charles's law, the Celsius scale, the Kelvin scale, absolute 0 Celsius to Kelvin conversion, and the combined gas equation. Now, let us recall once again the 8 questions and answers we learned through the song, in the same order. First question: what happens when a gas is heated at constant pressure? Does the volume of the gas increase or decrease? Answer: when the temperature increases, the kinetic energy and speed of the gas particles increase. As the particles move faster, the gas expands. When the pressure remains constant, the volume of the gas increases. Second question: what is Charles's law? Answer: when the pressure of a fixed amount of gas remains constant, its volume is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. When the temperature increases, the volume increases. When the temperature decreases, the volume decreases. This is Charles's law. Third question: what is the mathematical form of Charles's law? Answer: V represents volume, and T represents temperature. V is directly proportional to Tt, that is, V divided by T is a constant. When two different states are compared, V1 divided by T1 is equal to V2 divided by T2. In this equation, the temperature must always be expressed in Kelvin. Fourth question: what is the Celsius scale? What are its main reference points? Answer: at normal atmospheric pressure, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The temperature interval between these 2 points is divided into 100 equal parts. Celsius temperature is measured in the unit degree Celsius. Fifth question: what is the Kelvin scale? Where does it begin? Answer: the Kelvin scale is an absolute temperature scale that begins at absolute 0. This scale begins at 0 Kelvin. 0 degrees Celsius is approximately equal to 273 Kelvin. The symbol for Kelvin is the English letter K. The degree symbol is not used with Kelvin. Sixth question: what is absolute 0? What is its temperature? Answer: absolute 0 is the lowest theoretically possible temperature. The value of absolute 0 is 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin is approximately equal to minus 273 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the thermal motion of gas particles reaches its lowest level. When the graph of Charles's law is extended backwards, the volume of an ideal gas appears to approach 0. Seventh question: what should we do to convert Celsius into Kelvin and Kelvin into Celsius? Answer: to convert Celsius into Kelvin, add 273 to the Celsius temperature. To convert Kelvin into Celsius, subtract 273 from the Kelvin temperature. For example, when 273 is added to 27 degrees Celsius, the result is 300 Kelvin. When 273 is subtracted from 300 Kelvin, the result is 27 degrees Celsius. Eighth question: what is the combined gas equation? What is its mathematical form? Answer: the combined gas equation shows the relationship between the pressure, volume and temperature of a fixed amount of gas when these quantities change. Its mathematical form is P1 multiplied by V1 divided by T1 is equal to P2 multiplied by V2 divided by T2. P1 is the initial pressure, V1 is the initial volume, T1 is the initial temperature, P2 is the final pressure, V2 is the final volume, T2 is the final temperature. Here too, the temperature must always be expressed in Kelvin. Dear children, to receive educational songs like this in all subjects, and in the language of your choice, you can become a member of the Padikkam group. To join the group, first scan the QR code now displayed on the screen. When you scan the QR code, you will receive the link to join the Paadi Padikkam group. Scan this QR code right now. Watch the free sample lessons. Then you can also join the Paadi Padikkam group. There is another option for those who are unable to scan the QR code. Those who wish to become members can send a WhatsApp message to 9061032271. Type your name, your preferred language, and PMS in the message. The membership link will be sent back to you. With this, today's Paadi Padikkam. Let's learn through songs. Learning journey comes to an end. We will meet again in the next educational song. Thank you. I am your own Ivan, from Paadi Padikkam, from
Sing and learn three songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best.